Hi guys, this is Shwetang from Varanasi, and people also call me Monu. And we are doing the walking tour today, and I have got lovely people with me. There are some people from Peru. There's Martin. There's Neve from Ireland. The only word I know in Irish is Slán Líb Goléir.
Okay,
Yeah, so this is what my uncle, he lives in Terenure, Road East.
He lives in Tangier.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
He lives near Ireland.
Really?
Yeah.
So he's coming the day after tomorrow in Varanasi. Yes.
Okay.
But you're leaving tomorrow. He lives in Dublin 6.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
No, 5 minutes from where I live.
Yes. We have got some cows here. So this is the Jangari Mutt here. Watch out. And Varanasi is full of ashrams and mutts. Ashrams and mutts are basically like hostels for pilgrims where they come and stay. So around 500 to 1,000 people, they can live here in one go. And there are many ashrams in the southern part of Varanasi, but on this tour, we are going to explore the northern part, where you will see the cremation, the dead bodies burning, the flower market, and the main market of Varanasi, and prisoners.
Okay.
So, let's go guys. My cameraman does the hardest job. And people still say that your camera shakes a lot. Yes. Yeah. So this small street is called Jangari Mutt. It is named after this famous ashram, and it is kind of the city center. So I know all these narrow alleyways or streets because I was born and raised in Varanasi. Have been working in tourism since 1997.
Whoa.
Yeah, so I'm a licensed tour guide and I'm also a musician. I graduated with English literature and music. So guys, this is one of the oldest pakora shop. You know the street food?
Yeah.
I do also food tours.
Okay.
So if you are coming here on your own and you want to have some street food, you can stop by over these places. Obviously these are very good for Indians, but I don't know how your belly does with it.
Yeah.
But I always come and eat over here most of the time. Pakoras are like mostly the deep fried stuff, snacks you can call. So you might have heard of Banarsi pan. Have you heard of it? These are the betel leaf, and it comes with some tobacco and rose paste, cardamom, cloves. They are like sweet pan, and they are very good for your lungs and stuff, according to Ayurveda. But you can get also nicotine one, what people have addiction. So they chew it and spit everywhere. It's like a green leaf which converts into red thing. So Varanasis or people from Varanasi, they love it. It's their addiction. You will see less people smoking here, but a lot of people chewing tobacco. This property belongs to the royal family of Banaras. We still have king here. Anant Narayan Singh, he is the king, current king of Banaras, and the property belongs to him. There is a famous temple of goddess Kali inside, but it is not open for public. So they are kind of, they want privacy for their temple. So I don't really go inside, but you can still see the architecture from here. So this is probably the most safest part of Varanasi. Safest, because safest, yeah. Because when we have flood, my mom, she used to tell me that we had the highest flood in 1978 when they used to ride boat over there at the roundabout. And we are actually walking uphill towards the Kashi Vishwanath Temple. So it is like, you are walking in the mountain. So river can't really come up till here, but it can come up till the roundabout, Godowlia. So in 1978 was the highest flood we had in Varanasi. So I will show you from the ghat how high it went up.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So we are in the flower market, and this is one of the wholesale or oldest flower market here. You would get like marigold, rose, lotus, and all these kind of different flowers. They bring it from countryside here, like 20 kilometers ahead.
Okay.
And all the vendors, local vendors, they buy it from here for weddings, for funeral, for any ceremonies. It's like a bulk shop.
Yeah.
So this is basil. Basil is very good for your lungs. And in COVID-19, basil played an important role according to the Ayurveda.
So what do people do? Do they like burn
They
it
make,
in this, or?
they inhale it also, and they drink it.
Okay.
They make like a tea,
Yeah.
something similar to tea. They boil the leaf and they drink it. Are you feeling hot? Closer. These are special types of grass we offer to Ganesha. Yeah, so Ganesha loves that. It's called Durba.
Just Ganesha.
Mostly Ganesha loves it, but we can offer it to other gods also. And red flowers are mostly offered to goddess, like female deities.
Yeah.
And white and orange flowers are mostly for male deity, for male gods. But it does not really actually matter. You can offer any flower to any god, but that's mostly the color significance goes to that way. Red plays an important role for married women in India also, because we have got six, yes, like red bangles, red sindoor, what they put on their forehead, and tilak, obviously they do tika and all that. So married women have a very strong connection with red color. Red,
And
yeah.
if you're married?
Married, yes. Widows, they wear white mostly. They don't do a lot of fashion, and it's like a cultural thing which has been coming for ages. I will explain you this more later when we talk about it. Alright guys, bye for now. See you in the next video. Stay in touch. And if you have forgotten to subscribe the channel, you should do it because the next videos will be more interesting for you guys. Bye bye. Love you all.